Hi friends. Welcome back with another short video. Our today's topic is Net Speed Meter on Taskbar for Windows 11. A desktop meter that reveals the download and the upload speed of your internet connection in real time, also running in the system tray. Simply click the Microsoft Store icon and search for Net Speed Meter. Click Get and wait for the process to complete. It will not take longer. Windows does not feature an integrated tool for monitoring the upload and the download speeds of your internet connection. This is the reason why many developers created simple yet handy software utilities designed to help you keep an eye on such important network-related parameters. One example is Net Speed Meter. As you can see Net Speed Meter on Taskbar. We will change its color to make it visible. Just go to its setting and here you can choose its color, size and font. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want me to cover any other topic on this channel, just comment below. See you in next video. Bye.